And this is a normal house. So we have the normal window, door, roof, the chimney, and there are some smoke from the chimney as well. This is also a normal house, but a slightly different from what we have drawn in the previous one. Here, the curves are drawn not with cutting edges, they are somewhat smoothly drawn. So we have this figure with us right now. Now we are drawing a cactus. Do you know what is a cactus plant? Okay, so what about building a house similar to a cactus plant? That is what we are drawing now. We are drawing two branches on the right side and one on the left side. And now we can draw a window. And as you can see, we have folded the paper in the center. If we open it, there is a space. In that space, we can mark or draw the person who is living inside the cactus house. That is a porcupine. So we can draw the porcupine inside the cactus house.